Ecwid Dropshipping Tutorial for Beginners. Create an e-commerce store with Ecwid. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing about Ecwid and how you can use Ecwid to have an amazing dropshipping store. So we're going to be discussing it all in great depth and in great detail, and I'm going to be providing you as much information as I can on Ecwid and how you can use this amazing website to create an amazing dropshipping store. So basically, without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Okay, now to start yourself out, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to ecwid.com, and let me tell you how you're going to come to this. You're going to go ahead and write www.websiteworldmedia.com/Ecwid. Okay, you're just gonna write this and you're gonna enter it, and once you enter it, obviously you're gonna be redirected to ecwid.com's main sign up page. And let's say you don't want to write this URL, even though it's really short, you should go ahead and write it. But let's say in the case you don't want to write it, you could always just go ahead and check the link in the description below, because it's going to be at the top of the description, and at the top of that description you're going to find the feature that you're going to use to, actually come to the sign up page. You're going to see the same link that I had you add in, and once you find that, yeah, basically from there you're going to come to this page. Now once you're over here, you're going to come to Ecwid. Now first of all, to begin ourselves out, we're going to check the pricings and see what we actually need to, do the whole editorial drop shipping and all that. So start selling for free, upgrade whenever. Obviously there's 4 different plans. There's the free, venture, business, and unlimited. The free is $0, totally free, easy online store to launch your business for free. Then you have the venture plan, $19, business plan, $39, and unlimited plan, which is $99. And we're obviously going to be starting off with the free plan, so I'm going to go on this and obviously create for free. Now once we do that, you're going to basically come here. Okay, it's going to give you all these things, all these features. So basically, what you're going to do and what you're going to start off with is here it's going to say get started with a free account, write your full name. Okay, now to basically go ahead and write your full name, what you're gonna do is obviously I'm gonna go ahead and write that. Now it's gonna ask you your email. Okay, I'm gonna quickly go ahead and add my email. Now in this case, okay, you don't necessarily need to follow this step of mine. Okay, I'm only following this step just because of the video purposes. In fact, I don't actually recommend you do this. I'm only doing this because of my own reasons, because this video is just an exemplary purpose. So you could use like your proper Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, etc. I'm gonna go ahead, copy this, come here and paste it in the email section. Once you do that, set a password. Once you do that, click on next, set up your store. Now what that will do is obviously it will take you to the setup process, and over there obviously you're gonna have to add some details, set some things up accordingly to your dropshipping store. Obviously a dropshipping store, you're gonna think of what you're gonna dropship, because there's like a lot of products that you could dropship. So think of a niche that would work best for you. Think of a niche that's really in nowadays. Think of something that a lot of people are actually buying nowadays. So while everything loads up, just think of that properly, and once you've thought about all of that really clearly, from there on out, yeah, you should be easy to go. So here you can see get a head start on your store setup. What's your store name? So obviously go ahead and enter the name of your store accordingly. I'm just going to keep it online store. Keep your country, keep your currency. Once you do that, put in your city. Now I'm going to just randomly put in, doesn't really matter, to be honest. Once you do that, click on next. Once you do that, here you have, do you already have experience selling? I'm gonna go with I'm just getting started. What type of products would you be selling? Right now let's go with the clothing. Okay, and in clothing I guess we'll go with fashion. So fashion should be somewhere over here, or let's just go with apparel. Okay, are you setting the store from someone else? No, this option is available for the people who are, a lot of clients actually pay people to make stores for them. So this option is for those people. So do you already have a website? If you do, please do go ahead and add that. If you don't, you can just create a random URL for yourself. And once you do that, obviously go ahead with it, and then finally create a store for free. Now, once you're done with that, you're already done with like half of the stuff. Now what you're going to do is finally set up a drop shipping provider for yourself. Okay, and how are you going to do that? Basically, to do that for yourself, we're going to go down in apps, okay? And in apps, we're going to add ourselves a dropshipping app. So obviously now it depends on what type, like Printful is a good dropshipping app and all these are different dropshipping apps. So here you can see you have a category of dropshipping. So we're going to click on that and look at that. You have tons of options. So Printful, Sup, Spocket, and all these. But in my opinion, for Ecwid, Sup would work best. And I recommend that you go ahead and use Sup for Ecwid. So once you go in SUP, just click on install, then click on install again. And once you do that, obviously it's gonna install everything, and then it's gonna open SUP for you. So you can obviously, set everything up and optimize everything accordingly to your Ecwid. So once you're here, you have the whole thing. Welcome. Start, use SUP dropshipping, grow your business. We'll show you how. So you can watch a tutorial or just go straight to the dashboard. I'm going to go to the dashboard, and once you go there, obviously you're going to land over here with SUP. Hello, Ecwid online store. You have all these things going on over here. It's going to load your things up. It's going to load all the products up. Obviously, there's like tons and tons of products to work with. So we're just going to wait for it to load some of those products up for us. And once those products are loaded, obviously, we're going to go ahead and start the importing process as well. And the importing is so simple. It's so easy. And it's like going to be a piece of cake for you. So to find products, obviously, this is going to be your dashboard. You're going to see everything. To find products, you're going to go and find products, go on sourcing. And you could source products around if you want to, or you can just choose imported products. And once you go in imported products, obviously you can import different products from AliExpress. So just go on some AliExpress website, copy the link of the product, paste it here, and click on import product. And what it's going to do is it's obviously going to go ahead and import that product from AliExpress to over here. Or you could just go in products as so, and they have quoted or listed products by themselves, which you can choose from yourself. And once you have those products, you're going to import them. And once you import them, basically those products are going to appear to your, the section over here, my inventory. You're going to have those products over here, and from there you can import them to your store. And once you import them, basically they're going to appear in your store, and that is basically your dropshipping setup with your Ecwid in the easiest, most simplest, and most efficient, robust steps possible. So yeah, now if I were to go through things again, first of all, how are you going to access Ecwid website? All you're going to do is open a new tab, write www.websiteworldmedia.com/ECWID Ecwid, and all you're going to do is enter it. And once you enter it, you're going to go straight to the Ecwid site. And if you don't want to enter the URL, just go to the description, and you're going to see the link at the top of the description. Just click on it, and you're going to be redirected to Ecwid. So that's how simple and easy it is. So yeah, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will make more for you. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end. That was all from me, and I will be seeing all of you next time. Goodbye.